How to make money with ChatGPT AI, ChatGPT tutorial for beginners. So first thing first, you need to first create your ChatGPT account. You just need to visit the website, which is the openai.com. And over here, you just need to scroll down and just go here under featured ChatGPT. And once you're here in this page, just click try ChatGPT. And once you're done, then this is the main dashboard over here. So inside the ChatGPT, you can do a lot of stuff. It can write you blog, article, it can correct your grammar, improve your English like Grammarly, and more. So the first thing that I'd like to show you is that when you ask for ideas, you can also make use of ChatGPT to search for specific information or for ideas. Let's just say, for example, I will be searching here. Give me some gift ideas for my mom's birthday and click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will provide you some ideas here for your mom's birthday. So here we have 10 gift ideas that we can give for our mom's birthday, like a personal jewelry, a spa, a cooking, a photo album, and more. And if you want more, you can just easily enter here more, and it will give you another 10 more ideas. So that's how ChatGPT works, but there's also other things that you can do with ChatGPT. For example, if you have a book that you like to read but you cannot buy it, then you can also make use of ChatGPT to provide you a summary for that book. Give me an outline for this book. And that's the title of the book, and I will just click enter. And now, as you can see, ChatGPT provided to me the outline for this book. So now we have the outline of this book. So if you want to know more about the fundamental techniques in handling people, you can just go ahead and type here elaborate number 2. And with that, ChatGPT will provide you more information about the fundamental techniques in handling people. So going forward, let me now show you how you can make money online using ChatGPT. So you have different options to make money online using this ChatGPT. The first one is that you can offer a freelancing services, like for example, copywriting, or you can create articles or blog for your clients. So over here, as you can see, these are the freelance copywriter inside the Fiverr. And as you can see here, they are charging $100, $15, $40, $110, and $125 and more. So what they do is that they just do some copywriting for their clients, like writing an article or a blog. And I will show you how you can easily do that inside the ChatGPT without you manually doing your research and thinking about what to write. So over here, like for example, let's just add a new chat. And then here, let's just go ahead and put some headline, which is 10 ways to make money online. And then I just ask ChatGPT to write me an outline blog post for this topic, and then just click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will provide you the outline for this topic. So here, as you can see, we have first the introduction, and then we have the first one, the freelancing, and then the selling goods online, affiliate marketing, and more. So let's just wait for the ChatGPT to finish writing for our 10 ways to make money online outline. So give me a moment. All right, so we have now the outline here done. And the next thing that you need to do is to get a text for our introduction. So what we can do is that I will just go ahead and copy the title here. And then down here, I will just go ahead and ask ChatGPT, write me a introduction blog post for 10 ways. Okay, let me just correct the introduction over here. And then just click enter. All right, so let me just scroll down. All right, so here as you can see, ChatGPT is now writing you the introduction. So I will just go ahead and wait for ChatGPT to finish writing our introduction here. So what I will do next is that I will just go ahead and copy our title over here. And then I will just go to our Google Docs. Or you can also make use of your Microsoft Word if you have your Microsoft Word with you. But for today, I will just make use of my Google Docs. And then over here, I will just paste the title. All right, and I will just go back to our ChatGPT and I will just copy the introduction over here. All right, and let me just enter and paste the introduction over here. Let me just go ahead and make this one bold and also make this one bigger since this is the title. And then let me move it to the center. All right, so we have this. So let me just go ahead and now I will just copy the introduction here, paste it here. All right, so we have now the introduction. Let me just go ahead and make this one bold as well and add some space. All right, so now I will just skip this to over here since we already have our introduction. So I will just move on to the freelancing. So I will just go ahead and copy this one. And then down here, I will just paste it. So here we have the freelancing and I will just go ahead and shift enter. And then over here, I will just type in structure and I will just add the colon. And over here, I will just click shift enter again to add some space and then write me a blog post for this topic for this. All right, so here as you can see, ChatGPT now write us some information about freelancing, the definition of freelancing, explanation of how to start freelancing, popular platform for finding freelancing, and more. So let's just wait for the ChatGPT to finish writing. All right, so we have everything here. So I will just go ahead and copy this one. And then I will just paste it here in our Google Docs. Okay, so we have now the freelancing here and I will just add number and then I will just go ahead and make this one bold. So we have now the freelancing over here and then we can do the same thing to the other ways to make money online over here, like the selling of goods and online. You can just copy this one and then paste it down here and then just add some structure like what we did earlier and then just ask ChatGPT to write you a blog post for this and then just click enter and it will give you some information and then you can just copy and paste it over here inside your docs. So for now, this is the blog post that we have. And once you finish this one, you can go ahead and send it to your client. So that's how you can easily make money online through copywriting. And as you can see, you can write any articles here. So I guess that's all for today's video. And I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.